They know I'm a cat, not a dog. Tell it.
You wanna be a boxer?
So now you do it. He knows. He's smarter than we give him credit for.
Come on.